Welcome viewers. I have come with this type of phone. Right, the torch is going on right here, but if you try to switch it on, it's turning on, but the screen is not displaying. So we want to find out why the screen is not displaying. If you listen, these buttons are working. There is a sound on the keypads. Right, let's open the back cover and remove the battery. We are removing the battery. Let's take all the screws quickly. Want to see inside. Right, it's good to know and to practice this. If you follow some of these videos, you can make it. You can make it some of these issues or some of these problems that we have opened look, the LCD here is broken. It's telling me that maybe this person or my client broke this. Right, this is how you going to line it. After we have lined it, you will need sellotape to protect it from or to keep it in line. Right, look as shown in the video. Right, we are then going to solder it. But here I'm not going to show you much about how the way I'm soldering. I'm just showing you. This is the gun. It's on now. This is how I did. We finished resoldering it. Now we want to connect to test it. Before we close it, let's see. Now this phone is back to life. Thank you viewers. If this video is helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. See you for more videos.